Now it's time to add the stop fray to your bear pattern pieces. We're going to add the stop fraying to all of the openings that you've left open. So go ahead and take your stop fray and squeeze out a bead near the edge of each opening. And I like to use a toothpick to spread it out. What this will do is it will of course stop the fabric from fraying, but it'll also add added strength when you are closing all your seams. It'll give a little extra strength to the fabric when you pull the seams shut. I like to make sure that when I'm closing my seams that each stitch is taken within that area that I added stop fray. So on my mini bears, it's about a 3/8 of an inch wide piece of stop fray. On the head, don't forget to do all the way around both the two head side pieces but also the gusset. And then do the rest of the pieces and let them sit about a half hour to dry.